do the first one with our condensed wool gels. Really thick densities. It's gonna help me really hold down the centerpiece. And with this is amethyst centerpiece right there. I am going to using my amethyst baby mix jar. We'll see how it's gonna turn out. Goes inside. And I'm going to using a no wipe top coat, but you know what, that's gonna look really cool. Even you don't do it say with a shiny, you can do with a matte top coat. You know what, it's gonna look so stunning with a matte though. Hey, should we do a matte though? Try. All right, let me do a matte top coat. You see my matte top coat here? I'm trying to get it on the side right there. Let's do a matte top coat. And floating on the top. I don't know. I love to look. Okay, so I'm not gonna be lie to you. I'm still old school, so I love the look of the matte nails on the pictures when we would post the picture, because it's not have any glare or anything. But for me, if I'm wearing, I love the shiny because it's gonna be dull right after we doing it. It's heavy, so I can pick it with the picker, but it's kind of heavy.
I don't think you even need much. Just that alone is good.
Oh, look at that. Maybe one of this. I don't even need much. I just need this one to close that on that. I'm using my mix jar and my super cute acrylic flowers. Look at that. You don't even need anything else. All else is gonna cover and tie the marbling look. Okay, cure this one for 60 seconds.